It has been an extremely interesting day of trade, clearly, because if you see markets, we opened lower, and this was mainly on the back of weak global cues as well as the profit booking that we have been witnessing as well. In fact, in the last two trading sessions, the Sensex has cracked over 900 points, and we've ended 300 points lower in today's session as well. Nifty, if you go to see below the 18,200 mark, so clearly there is consolidation in a narrow range that we have been witnessing. But analysts are of the opinion that these are opportunities that investors should use with a buy on dips kind of strategy. Bank Nifty as well ended nearly 180 points lower. And in terms of sectors, it was IT, which was the top losing sector. There was pressure with regards to real estate and media as well. Infosys, Kotak Mahindra Bank, as well as Reliance Industries, these were few of the names which actually dragged the markets lower in today's session. Though the broader markets also ended in the negative, but there was clear outperformance vis-a-vis what the benchmark indices did in trade today. And clearly the breadth was pretty much in favor of the bulls. So overall, if you see, in FY24 as a whole, the markets have risen by almost around 5%, and that's the reason why investors are booking profits at current levels. In terms of top losers, you had a Kotak Mahindra Bank, Apollo Hospitals, HCL Tech, Infosys, as well as a SBI Life. Whereas on the gaining front, you had a Hero Moto, IndusInd Bank, ITC, BPCL, as well as a Bharti Airtel, which reacted on the back of Q4 numbers. Newsmakers, Sterlite Technologies was one counter that was in focus, which gained the most in 5 months on the back of numbers. Jubilant Foodwork as well reported a good set of numbers, smart gains coming in there. Reddington's fourth quarter profit fell, missing estimates, and because the expenses rose, and that's what put pressure on the counter. KPI Green Energy commissioned a new solar plant, and that's the reason that stock was in focus. Amber Enterprises actually jumped 18% in intraday trade on the back of a spectacular set of numbers. Credit Access Grameen also hit an all-time high in today's session on the back of numbers. Bank of Baroda was an interesting counter, 168% surge in quarterly profits. In fact, brokerages are also bullish on the counter. And you had a LIC, which recorded a 50% drop in new business premium after the tweak in tax rules. So that was another one. Apart from that, stocks like Aditya Birla Fashion, Ipca Laboratories, PVR Inox, as well as VMart hit a 52-week low today's day of trade. So clearly, if you go to see a lot of stock-specific action, it is earnings season. So that's what the companies are reacting to. But analysts are of the opinion that buy on dips should be the strategy that one should be adopting with the kind of intraday falls that we have been seeing. Thank you.